couldn't lie to you kids, it's a fucking jungle out there. Keep your head on tight, unknown brain and mind me, baby, let's do it. Y'all see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now, keep an eye out.
What's up guys, Arcade's vlogs here. Today it's going to be another more vlog. Right now the sun is shining a bit. Guys, the video right now is being recorded on 2.7K 30 FPS resolution. This resolution is not having any kind of EIS. Yes, they call it EIS. So let us see what is going to be the quality. As I told earlier, I'm going to make a video featuring the different resolutions of the video. Say 4.7K 30 FPS, 4.7K 60 FPS, 1080p 30 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS. Also I'm gonna shoot one 720p, and I will come to know how is the resolution in 720p also. So guys, stay tuned to the video, and if you're feeling the channel is good, the content is good, you're liking seeing the videos, just hit that subscribe button, man. Do not forget to set your camera, that is the mirror. Those are the manual cameras. Guys, I think so we got a company. Let's see what it's got. Is he gonna rev it? Let's see. going to get heard. Guys, it is so bad staying on a signal, waiting for the traffic to open. So you gotta follow the rules, man. Mileage from your motorcycle, what you can do is stay on higher gears, man. If you stay on a fucking high gear, you're gonna get a better mileage. I will let you know how it works. If you are staying on a higher gear and stay on a steady speed, yes, that's what you're gonna do. As if right now I'm running on the 6th gear, you can see the speed is 66, it ain't matter. But what matters is stay on the higher gear and stay on a specific speed. Don't try to accelerate more, don't do harsh throttling. Try to stay as steady as possible. If you are gonna stay steady on your speed, you are definitely going to get a better mileage, but that is not possible for me. That is not my way of driving. But this is for the people who just wants to stay on having a better mileage. So this is how you do, man. I'm gonna show you the real-time way. You will come to know the things that actually happens when you're driving. I'm gonna shift. I'm gonna press the select button, and we'll go into real-time mileage. Yes. I'm gonna illustrate you. I'm on the 4th gear. See, it is showing 51.3 for day 6. Because I am driving in a controlled manner. It is, if I just start driving, it's gonna show lesser. I'm on a steady speed. This is 63, 62. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shift, and you will exactly come to know it is showing 66. It is going to increase, man. See, it shows 75, 71. Now I'm gonna stay on a steady speed. See, gradually it increases. It shows 70.8, 71.5. Now I'm gonna shift to the 6th gear, and this is going to increase a bit more. See, 81.7, 82. So guys, this is actually how it works. Stay on a steady speed, drive on higher gears. That's how you're gonna get mileage. So for the people who think they are not getting mileage, there's a little trick, the tip that you can use while you're driving, so that you would be able to get better mileage. Guys, also I have recorded a video on the real-time mileage that you'll be getting on your motorcycle, that is R15 V3. Yes, the real-time average that you're gonna get from this motorcycle. So stay tuned to my channel. And guys, you gotta hit that subscribe button for the new viewers that have just not subscribed to my channel. I'm gonna bet you're gonna like the content if you're liking this kind of content, man.